So how could Judge Jackson's background as a public defender potentially impact her decision-making on the Supreme Court? Here she says, defense lawyers perform a service and our system is exemplary throughout the world precisely because we ensure that people who are accused of crimes are treated fairly. There's sort of this narrative that this public defender experience translates to being soft on crime. So the sentiment among certain advocates is that you can use public defenders in a way that would advance certain policy interests. The expectation would be that public defenders are going to be less inclined to simply punish for punishment's sake. If President Biden was able to increase the percent of judges who are former public defenders to equal the percent who are former prosecutors, we'd have around 13,000 fewer federal incarcerations in a 10-year period. Judges who are public defenders can indeed sort of change things, but it's a pretty late stage, and it's not going to be a substitution for a broader policy approach.